Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. According to Vastu, which color brings health? Options: A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Yellow. The answer is green. As per Vastu, how many doors are good to a house? Options: A. Even number, B. Odd number, C. Even both, none. Answer is even number. According to Vastu, which color attracts luck? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. White. Answer is green. Who is God Niruti? Options: A. God of Northeast, B. God of Southwest, C. God of Northwest, D. God of Southeast. Answer is B. God of Southwest. According to Vastu, which god represents Ishanya? Options: A. God Brahma, option B. God Kubera, option C. God Agni, option D. God Shiva. Answer is God Shiva. Which bedroom is best for couples? Option A. Southeast facing, B. Northeast facing, C. Northwest facing, D. Southwest facing. Answer is southwest facing. Which god symbol is good for main door? Option A. Lord Ganesha, B. Lord Vishnu, C. Lord Shiva, D. Lord Skanda. Option is Lord Ganesha. Where to place a mirror in a bedroom? Options: A. North wall, B. East wall, C. North and east, D. West wall. Answer is C. North and east wall. According to Vastu, which direction is not good? Option A. Northeast direction, B. Northwest direction, C. Southeast direction, D. Southwest direction. Answer is southwest direction. According to Vastu, safest color: option A. White, option B. Black, option C. Orange, option D. Green. Answer is option A. White. In construction of a building, the pillars should be: option A. Odd number, B. Both numbers, C. Even number, D. None. Answer is even number. According to Vastu, which color attracts money? A. White, red and black, B. Green, orange and yellow, C. Gold, green and red, D. Black, yellow, red. Answer is C, gold, green and red. Which god represents rice? Option A, goddess Lakshmi. Option B, goddess Saraswati. Option C, goddess Durga. Option D, goddess Annapurna. Answer is goddess Annapurna.